If I die on this obby. Wait lang. If I die on this obby, the video ends. So today we're gonna play this a barbershop hair. It's been a while since I make this video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. What the heck? Okay, so let's complete this obby. So it's... I assume this red will kill me. Oh shit, how am I gonna pass through?
A few inches later.
What the hell are you doing? Oh, okay. This guy is so smart. Thank you, smart Joey. This challenge is so easy, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, no, smart Joey, no! Let me get down. Okay. Oh, good. Ooh, ooh.